Hello children, very good afternoon to all. Today we can continue our lesson Excel. Okay. So in the last section we were discussed how to start an Excel and what are the main terms in Excel. Today also we can continue. Our new topic is cell referencing. Okay. Mainly three types of referencing: relative referencing, absolute referencing and mixed referencing. Then the first one is relative referencing. See children, relative cell reference as A1 is based on the relative position of the cell. Okay, if the position of the cell that contain the reference changes, the reference itself is changed. Okay, see here, the example see here, cell A1, okay, here column A and row number 1, A1, here B1, okay, that is equal to A1 plus B1, okay, in the C column A1 plus B1. When you copy this formula, that is from A1 plus B1, that is equal to A1 plus B1, when you copy this formula to next cell, see here, you get 5. When you copy this, see the address will change. Okay, the row number will change. Okay children, see here, the equation is changed as B3 plus C3. Okay, see here, when it comes here, it will become 1, 2, 3. So here, the number is A3, here B3. Okay, see here is equal to B3 plus C3, the equation given. So this one is C3 and this one is B3. So we get the answer as 10. Okay, because here B3 contains 4 and C3 contains 6, and so we get the answer as 10. Okay children, so absolute referencing means when you, not absolute, relative referencing means in this type of referencing, the cell address in a formula get automatically changed when we copy them to one place to another. Okay, then I will show you this with an Excel sheet. So please listen carefully. See, this one is an Excel sheet. Okay, now you can see here I am writing 1, 2, 3 till 10 and also 2. Okay, so let's make a multiplication table of 2. Okay, to make a multiplication table of 2, you simply write here equal to. Okay, then you can select this column. Okay, what is this multiplication table? First 1 into second one. Okay, that's how we can make a multiplication table. Okay, so here 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 2. Okay, like that. So you can choose this one into this one will give first number 2. Okay, so here the address you can see in this bar H5 into I5. Okay, when I drag this one to another cell, what will happen? See, you will get the equation H6 into I6. So this type of referencing is called relative referencing. Okay, so in this referencing, when you change this address from one cell to another, then the formula will automatically change. Okay, when I copy this one into all the cell, we simply, okay, we get the multiplication table of 2. Now you can see this is the multiplication table of 2. Okay, so this is how we create multiplication table using relative referencing. Okay, then our next topic is absolute referencing. Okay, see, in absolute reference as $A, $1 always refer to a cell in a specific location. Okay, that means in absolute referencing we can use a symbol called $. Okay, that means when we copy a formula from one cell to another, sometimes we do not want the cell address to change. Okay, in that case, absolute reference can be very helpful. Okay, children. In absolute referencing, we put a dollar sign before the column, letter as well as the row number. See here, dollar A, dollar 1. Okay, first we can put a dollar symbol before column number, then before row number. Okay. For example, dollar A, dollar 1. Here you can see dollar A, dollar 1. So this one is an absolute address. Okay. That means when you change the formula, the absolute reference remains same. Okay, children, see here in cell C1, some functions is used. Okay, what function? Dollar A1 plus dollar B1. Okay, dollar B, dollar 1. Okay, the absolute address is given to both row and column. Then the function from cell C1 is copied to cell D3. Okay, here C1. Now we copy to cell D3. So this is cell D3. Okay, when the position of the cell is changed from C1 to D3. Okay, see here C1. Here D3, D column, third row. Okay, when we change from C1 to D3, then the absolute reference remains same. That is A1, B1. See here A1, B1. Here also A1, B1. Okay, but in relative reference, the address will change automatically. In absolute reference, it does not change the address. Okay. Dollar is used for constant row or column. Okay, so the dollar symbol makes your row or column will be constant. Okay, see children, when you use only dollar A1, then the constant part is only A. That is a row, not row, column part is constant, row number will change. Okay children, I will show you the same with our Excel sheet. Okay, so this is Excel sheet. Okay, here I am deleting all these one. Here we can write equal to dollar. Okay, equal to dollar. Which one? Here column number H and row number 5. So I am writing H5 equal to H5. See, now we get 1. When I drag this to all other cells, what output we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so all the cells, see here, dollar H6, dollar H7. Here you can see the name. Okay, H5, H6, H7, etc. Okay, see, now I change the formula. See, now I am giving the formulas as dollar H5. Okay, now I change it as equal to dollar H, then dollar 5. Then let us check what will be the output. See, here H5. Now I am deleting everything. Then I again copy all these one to all the cell. See the changes. Okay, here when I click on here, what is the output here? Dollar H, dollar 5. When I click on here, what's the equation in the formula bar? Dollar H, dollar 5. Okay, all equations contain same because the equation never change when you use an absolute referencing. Okay, children. The next topic is mixed referencing. Then in mixed referencing, it contains both absolute and relative. Okay, that is a mixed reference has either an absolute column and relative row or absolute row and relative column. Okay children, an absolute column reference takes the row dollar $A1, dollar $B1. See the same example. Okay, same example that I show for absolute referencing. Okay, an absolute row reference takes the form A dollar 1, B dollar 1. Okay, absolute row reference takes the form A dollar 1, B dollar 1. Okay, here what we given? $A1. Okay, the one, that is row number is relative but column number is absolute. Now I show you both one. Okay, see, in cell C1 some function is used. Then function from cell C1 is copied to cell D3. Okay, here see C1, so we get 5. Okay, $A1, $B1. When you copy this to function or the cell D3, when the position of the cell is changed from C1 to D3. So that's why here you can see instead of this A1 and B1, you can see it as A3 plus B3. Okay, then row reference is changed from 1 to 3. Okay, but the column reference remains same. What's the reason? Because we apply this dollar symbol only for column, not for row. That's why when you copy this from one place to another, only the column name is changed, not the row name. Okay, only row number is changed, not the column. Okay, the column number A and B are same, but the row numbers are changed. Okay, children. So now I believe you all understood what is mean by this relative referencing, absolute referencing, and mixed referencing. Okay, so please study well. Okay, see you again with another topic. Till then, bye. Thank you.